Hello, Coggi. What a lovely day. Let's go explore the tractors. Are you ready? I can see something far away. Oh, it's a tractor driving in the field. Look, there it is. Oh, the tractor's gone behind the bush. And look, it's popping out again on the other side. Wow, Coggi. Those wheels are huge. They're much bigger than you. And here's the whole tractor. My word, it's quite speedy, isn't it? Now it's standing still, and look, there's a hay bale. Isn't it marvelous? Now we're inside the tractor. The farmer uses the steering wheel to drive. Another tractor. This time it's green. What do you think it's doing? Aha, there is a hay bale coming out. And look, the tractor is reversing. And another hay bale. Fantastic. Here comes the farmer walking in the field. He's got his big boots on. Off to another field now, and another tractor. Ah, a hay bale. Now the tractor has picked up the hay bales. 1, 2, 3, 4. All loaded up, and off it goes. Oh, Coggi, thank you for a smashing day. We hope to see you again soon, friends. With that, we'll say bye-bye. Bye-bye.